In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a navigation bar using Fireworks and then insert it into Dreamweaver. To start off with, we need to create our navigation bar in Fireworks. After that, we add some rollovers to make it a bit interactive. We then export it and then import it into our Dreamweaver website. To start off with, we need to create our navigation bar. For my example, I've decided to have a new document of the size 800 by 200, resolution of 72 pixels per inch, and a transparent canvas colour. Then you can design your navigation bar. On mine I've put 4 buttons: my home button, about, shop and contact. And to do this, you need to be using these tools over here. The square tool, but if you click and hold it you can choose a different shape, and the T for the text tool. Down at the bottom, when you draw it, you can decide on your colours, your size of font, and different styles of fonts down here. And then once you've done that, you should end up with your navigation bar. Along the side, you need to go onto the states section and change your state 1 to duplicate it, so you'll have 2 states. State 1 is the normal state, state 2 is what will appear when you move your mouse over it to roll over. So on my state 2, I've decided to change the backgrounds a bit darker. As you can see, all these buttons are a little bit darker, the text is a bit darker. So when I move my mouse over a button, essentially it's just going to roll over to the second state, which will be a bit darker. Once you've done that, you need to click this Fit Canvas button, and that will simply chop all of the excess space around your navigation bar. Next, setting up your rollovers. Now that you've got 2 states, you can simply do these few steps to get it to roll over. First, using the web tool, that end very far one is a slice. Just this one here. Oh, my hand's gone. You need to slice each button so a little green rectangle appears over each button. And then on there, click on each one, a little circle will appear. Drag that circle slightly to the side and let go, and then a blue line will show on itself from the edge of the circle to the edge of the square. This is indicating that you want that particular slice to roll over on that particular button. Okay, next, when you let go, that will say which one you're going to swap to, so you're going to swap to state 2. And then when you preview it, by pushing F12, this will appear. As you can see on my example, I've put my mouse over home, so that's why home looks a bit darker than the other 3 buttons. That is how you do your rollover. Next, adding it to Dreamweaver. This stage is a bit tricky, there's a lot of steps to it. However, once you go through the steps, it will insert fine. So, you've got your navigation bar. You need to go down into Export Wizard. Now when you open the Export Wizard, this will appear. You first of all need to click Continue on the first step, and it will come to this. You say this is a JavaScript rollover, click Continue, and then it will give you some analytic results, so click Exit here. Finally, you get to the screen where you can decide on how you want to optimize it. I suggest you choose a GIF Adaptive 256 mode, and then down here you want to change it to Index Transparency. From that, you can click the Export button and it'll ask you where you want to export it. You need to export it into a relevant folder. So up here I've called it Navigation Bar, and then I've called it Navigation Button. Then click Save. From there, inside your Dreamweaver webpage, you have to decide where you want to put your navigation bar. Once you've done that, you just simply go to Insert, Image Objects, and then choose Fireworks HTML. So you're choosing to insert the Fireworks HTML into your web page. From there, just simply browse to your folder, and you need to find one that has the little blue E next to your navigation bar, because the blue E shows that it's a HTML file. Click OK, and there you have it. It will insert into your web page. So that's how you create a navigation bar, add your rollovers, export it, and then import it into Dreamweaver. Thank you.